Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Al-Awlaki and today I'll be talking about parallel edge detection using Sobel and Canny algorithm. So let's begin. First, what is edge detection? Basically, it's a technique used in computer vision to find boundaries inside images, points where the brightness changes suddenly. These points usually represent the outlines or shapes of objects. Edge detection is important in so many real-world areas, like medical imaging, face recognition, robotics, or any system that needs to understand what it sees. The problem is when the image is high resolution or when there are many images, processing them in one pixel at a time in normal sequential way becomes very slow. If you need fast or real-time result, sequential Sobel or Canny simply can't keep up. Parallel processing solves this by dividing the work across multiple cores at the same time, which makes the execution much faster. The Sobel algorithm is one of the simplest and most common edge detection methods. It works by calculating the gradient, basically checking how fast intensity changes from one pixel to the next. On slides you can see 2-3x3 filters. Canny is more advanced method. Instead of only looking at gradient, it goes through several steps: smoothing, gradient detection, thinning the edge, and holding. Because of that process, the output looks cleaner and more accurate than Sobel, and it handles noise much better. Parallel processing works very well for edge detection because each pixel or region of the image can be processed independently. That means we can split the work across different threads or cores, so thousands of pixels are handled at the same time instead of one by one. This gives a big speed improvement. For Sobel, parallelization is straightforward. We divide the image into smaller blocks, assign them to different threads, and compute the gradient in parallel. That instantly reduces execution time, especially with large images. Canny also benefits from parallel execution even though it has multiple stages. Each stage, like smoothing or gradient computation, can be processed on different parts of the image at once, so the overall runtime is dramatically reduced. To sum up, Sobel is simple and very fast, Canny is more accurate and cleaner, and parallel computing makes both of them much more efficient. With more optimization like using GPUs, we can push the performance even further. That's it, and thank you for watching.